unmute yourself. I think you are on the habit of muting yourself in the class.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Shan Prahlad. And in today's video, we are going to do boys bag
Versus girls bag. So basically, girls bag is very organized. They all keep all their things really nicely in the bag, and it's all the things whatever they need. It's not like junk and all. But boys, they are always like lazy to carry the bag. Usually they don't carry itself, but even if they carry, they have all the junk inside except whatever they need. Everything else is dumped inside the bag like this one.
Boys are a bit lazy to carry, but they carry such little stuff which help them to carry so many things. Girls carry makeup, everything of makeup. What do boys do? They carry such little things which help them to do everything in a day. Girls just bunk of junk. Just fill so many junk.
Everything is false. Just forget it, girls are girls. Makeup is a necessity, okay?
Because without makeup they look so. Yeah, you know, no. Without makeup, how girls look. Yeah, you know.
Okay. So let's get started. Switch. Where is it? Okay. No violence. So who will open first?
Shan, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Only one who wins it.
Best of one.
Okay. One, two.
What are you doing, Baba? Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors.
Yo, she has to open first. I decide that she has to open.
Oh.
No, I will open.
Okay. So first, girls' bag is opening.
So this is a bag. The dumbest bag. The girl's bag. So you have to open it. Let's see.
Boys have bad taste. What to do? They find everything
A
done.
flower bag. Girls like, boys hate.
So
let's start with the opening
This is
this
so
end.
good.
Let's see what will be here. What is this? What is the use of this? That's what I told. Girls carry everything which is waste. Do we need this? It's such a pretty book. And see, this is finished here. It's fully finished. Why need to carry? Okay, pen, broken pen. That type of things girls carry. One finished book and one broken pen.
it's not finished. See here.
Hey,
Let me give my justification.
only some 2 pages. See, 1, 2. Only 2 pages.
See, it happens so that we have to note down some things we might forget. So it's necessary. It's a necessity. It's not junk.
So first, one 2 pages left book and one broken pen is the first. Next we'll go to this side edge. Oh my god, what is this here? The makeup product. I have told you guys, makeup is the most thing for girls which they carry in a bag.
So what is this? Nutri-Derm.
Nutri-medium, guys.
Nutri-Derm. What is this?
Nutri-derm.
Like, what do you use it for?
Putting it to face.
Yeah, like obviously everything is for putting on face. What is it called?
Nutri-derm. Or leave it. I will go to next one.
Oh, he doesn't know the answer, so he'll skip the question. Nice.
So we'll open the topmost. Arzonia. I think this is the one which was ordered from Meesho. The bangle which was waste of money.
It's not bangles, it's bracelets. These boys don't know anything.
Why do we need this, huh? When we go, we need to show off that even I have this. That is girls. See, doing show off some Arizonia for Meesho. See how show off he wants to do.
Handle carefully.
See, wearing these things. They wanted to show what? Show off.
Girls are girls. When we have all these things,
Girls
we
are the
use.
people who do so much show off. Yeah, everybody knows. So is there anything else here? No, this is khali. Oh my god, how to open this? Somewhat like this.
They barely
somewhat
touch
like
any
this.
bag, they don't have to open it.
Oh. So we opened the most of this bag. There is a small zip here. Inside.
Zip.
Zip.
You just told zip here.
Dude, is this true? There's not enough space in this much little space in the zip. She's kept one small earring. See how much show off they like to do. Do they need to wear this when they go out so they can wear it in their ears or somewhere where they can wear this and go? No. Again, why need to take and do show off from their friends? Another makeup product. Next one is the thing which even I appreciate to have it. This is the
Something
mask.
he appreciates. Finally.
Yeah, because it's a pandemic and we need to carry a mask. It's compulsory. So there's another sanitizer. Oh my god, this is a Finnish sanitizer.
It's
Who
there.
carries Finnish sanitizer in this?
It's there. People don't have eyes, no, they can't see.
Literally, thoda sa. In one day, we go out somewhere, play with friends. For that day, this much sanitizer would be enough.
You pour liters of sanitizer, no, so for you
It's
it
a
might take over,
sanitizer
but I'm
and all.
very systematic. It's very much there.
This is in every bag. The snacks, foodie.
I feel hungry all the time.
What is this? Hatchings.
Hatchlings.
Angry Birds. Oh yeah, that time we saw this in the mall. Hatchlings. We got this free in the mall with some game session. This is cute.
Oh, that's a cute one.
Why did you keep this inside? Is this a product? I think this is a stapling pin. But this is really cute. This is also carried for show off only. Otherwise, why do they need it? I have told you before, only girls carry so much which they don't need. Junk of bunk they carry. So see, this is also one waste of use. Why they carry? They do like this, mom. Something they'll do.
I got it recently, so it's just there in the bag.
Next.
It's not like I carry it
Oh
anywhere.
my god, she stuffed everything
Good
inside.
one though.
She stuffed everything. Oh guys, so much. This is so heavy. What is this? Another makeup bag. See, this is makeup for girls so much. What is this? Lakme
Okay,
Premier Mate.
you should tell what is this. Don't use
Oh
it.
yeah.
What is
I think
this?
this is some lotion or something. Because I never used it. How will I know?
Yeah, but you see me using it. No, you need to tell what is this. You tease me, no? So you
Lotion.
have-
So what is a? Leave. Go to next one. It's my chance of opening first. Mera ilaka. Aloe vera gel. The smell we can get to know. Oh, here only there was an aloe vera. Why don't I need this? They're not any film actors, no guys. To go somewhere, put full makeup. They're not any artists to go somewhere, put full makeup.
It's not that only celebrities need all that skincare. It's necessary for everyone.
Lakme. What is this?
At least tell what is this.
Cricket ball.
Oh my god, everything
Green
looks like
ball.
cricket for boys. That's the problem. You need
What
to be
is this?
careful. They might throw anything anywhere at any time. Excuse me.
Oh, this is powder.
What powder?
Why don't I need powder?
Everything you find is cricket.
This is open. Take a selfie. This is something of makeup. Powder. Why do they keep powder of Lakme company? Normal powders. So much powder is there in normal. Why to waste money and buy this one? So much Lakme powder is there in our house. Not Lakme, but companies are there. Again, this big some Maharani. She took this. Maharani. It is Lakme powder.
What is this called? You don't.
Powder.
No, it's not
Foundation?
powder. Then what is this?
Powder. This is also powder. This is also powder.
Powder is like this.
No, this is paint. This is paint. paint.
Paint.
This is powder. Okay.
He's teaching you makeup. Okay. This is paint. This is powder.
How many
Remember?
Lakme products did you use? Or another Lakme one. See this. Another Lakme. The Lakme queen. Lakme didn't sponsor us anything. Hey, what is this? Oh, variety way of drawing.
Don't use it. Don't use it.
Ishna. ISHAA.
It's not colors or something.
Oh, I noticed in some videos that I think I noticed her also. She putting something dip it and put like this dip. I think
Where
near
did I
the
put-
cheeks.
No.
Somewhere here.
No.
Here.
No.
Here.
Here who will put
Here?
colors? No, this wind is there. No.
Here. Somewhere here.
No.
In the eyes. To the side.
Not in your eyes.
Here.
Yeah.
I got this one.
Eyeshadows. Finally, you told every body part after only this was left, so you got it.
Habba. Nail polish. This is one nail polish. Oh, this is lipstick. You put lipstick also. Oh. Huh? What a lipstick. See. Okay, I'll close it and open it again. Now when you see it here, you can see slide lipstick thing, red color thing here. Okay, now you open it. Where is the lipstick gone? Here, the broken lipstick. Why do you carry it?
You broke it right now, I guess.
Oh. Opa. See this
You
much
broke a
lipstick.
lipstick.
See this much lipstick somebody puts. Half of the piece is inside.
You just broke
Lipstick, pa. Lipstick. OP lipstick. This is one. Oh my god. All are this only. All are nail polish. This is nail polish. Why do you need this many nail polish? One color is enough, no? Don't know, pa.
We are not lazy, we like to keep everything nice. One
Another bracelet. This is also Lakme only, guys, I think.
Lakme bracelet.
There are already bracelets for there. More shop. I think this is handmade.
You made it. It's not hand. It might be handmade, but not by me.
Is there something inside? Why
Like-
do you want a pencil to write? Oh, sharpener.
Hey, it's not a
Hey,
pencil.
coloring.
It's not a
Let's do
pencil.
color.
Ishan.
Hey,
It's a lipstick.
Sharpener,
Lipstick
ah.
liner.
just see this. It looks like a pencil. This is the cap. Open it. There is a lid. And when you want to start it, just put the cap and do like this. This looks like a clear pencil.
No, it's just for outlining the lipstick or lip balm that you put.
Outline also you need, abba. Only drawings you need outline for black sketch pen. This is also you need outline.
Excuse me, no violence in the video. Non-violence.
What is painting brush?
It's not painting.
See, this is clearly painting brush only ditto. It looks the shade also. What is this? Toothbrush.
It's not toothbrush. Which toothbrush looks like this?
I think this is for combing hair. And this looks for some toothbrush.
No. It's for shaping
two
eyebrows.
Huh?
Hey, you are
What
breaking-
does she carry?
He's breaking everything and he's blaming me that what I carry.
Oh my god, it's not fixing. Is it permanently broken? Oh. Fixed. Tickum and tickum.
It's not a comb, it's just for doing the eyebrows.
Next to our painting brush. I think they put for something they take and they put for cheek things. Oh, I'm looking so good.
Enough.
So finally the bag got khali. This many things in the bag. And the bag is khali.
Don't handle
Oh,
things
there's
like
more.
that. Girls will be girls.
Oh
There's
my
a lot.
god. Hey. See this, guys. Just she eats chocolate. She just throws the wrapper in this bag. I know.
Actually, it was him who dumped this in my bag. He eats it and he puts it in my bag.
I eat chocolate,
Oh, you don't eat.
So, hey,
You don't eat chocolates.
what is this, Faisal? This sub.
Don't throw things like that.
That's it, trash, okay.
That's not trash.
What is this? Current bill, ah?
Not current bill. Which current bill will be this long?
Oh my, oh my, oh my. Look at this. This long bill. I think this is only for her. Yeah, this is only for her long bill. This is shopping, 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 shopping. Boys do not shop that much. I know, like boys shop, but some of them like shopping. I just hate shopping. I get so much bored. Bah, another bill, bah. This is our family bill. No. Yeah, this is bill for our family. This is bill for her. And this is just some extra grocery or something.
Public basicity is happening here. Please stop it.
What is real? I'm telling. What is this?
Please be careful in handling my things. Everything you're
This
just
is not
doing.
yours. Papa bought it for me. Mine. Sticky notes. Why do you need sticky notes? You stick something in your face here. See, if they don't put makeup, no, they look so ugly. So what did they do? They take one strip, they cover full here, so nothing will be seen.
What do you think we use sticky notes for? Except the thing you told now.
Writing something and sticking.
So that is the real purpose.
What is this, ma'am?
It's for
You-
making notes, quick notes.
Quick notes. You only live once. Everybody knows that. But this one diary, I don't know. But everybody knows that, no?
It's a really good novel. Okay?
Tuti Chanjil. Okay, some book or novel, I don't know. Oh,
It's about life. That's it.
I think Kali. No, more is there. Another nail polish.
It's nail polish.
Then what else?
No, this is not nail polish. It's written here itself. What is this?
Dazzler.
Dazzler what?
Eyeliner.
Everything is not
They
nail
put
polish.
eyeliner and nail polish. I'm looking so good.
No. Enough.
Frozen. You see, you watch Frozen. 4, 8. Oh, this is Uno cards. I know she plays with her friends. Uno Khiladi. I think it's Kali. No, I can just feel some more. Is there something? Is it Kali?
Hopefully it is.
Yes, it's Kali.
Check this zip. I guess you missed out something. Careful.
So, money. You don't have any wallet. Left money like that. 30 rupees of money. This much deep.
See the way he handles the bag. He just put this out like this. So careless, these boys.
Everything, and brothers and sister also careless. But
I'm telling the truth.
30 rupees. That's it. Yeah, that's it.
Yes, that's it. He's totally did my basic in front of the camera. So now it's my turn.
The cool bag. Coolest.
So called cool. I don't find anything cool. Let's see how cool it is inside. Wow.
Cricket gloves.
He's going to hit people outside horribly boxing.
This is cricket gloves. Okay, cricket.
It looks like boxing gloves.
Just these fingers move in boxing. Boxing is like this, just totally.
I'm like
Yes.
Mary Com, I don't know boxing and all.
Who told you to learn them?
But who carries gloves in the bag?
I go to cricket
You're
practice.
going
so I
to
carry.
box people outside and like violence.
Mask.
Mask. Okay, this is necessary, but you should not keep them like this in the bag.
We should just fold them,
No,
like that. We should keep them.
Keep them neatly inside a cover. It's like there's dust inside, so it might. And
I clean my bag, okay, not like you
He
got
carries a library in the bag. As if he reads. all
I
this.
love Geronimo's written books. I love them. They're just wonderful books, man.
Oh, but you barely read them.
This experiences books OP, sir. OP.
But why 4 books? Okay, 1 book or 2 books make sense.
I
4
just
books?
read these 3 and one is just first one is just a bit late.
Okay, 4 books, whole library he's carrying.
4 books is a library.
And then a ball. Again,
Off pen.
he plays
One
cricket
catch,
on the
one
road
catch.
just like that.
One-
Randomly he'll get down
one
from the
catch,
vehicle and
one
he'll
catch.
start playing
One
cricket.
catch.
Enough.
Hey, what a catch! See how it's pitching. Off spin, you should go like this. Huh.
Finally, the ball at least understood my feelings. Okay, this is a sanitizing again and necessary. And then some cars. The traffic on the road is not enough. Again, he's creating more traffic.
This one's not car in cause traffic. This is a McLaren car. See how stylish this looks.
See this bada fellow carrying cars. Chotu cars. And then TV remote, I'm searching from a week. Here you go. Who carries a remote in the bag?
Because every time you only get YouTube song. Kohli got a first Kohli said Joe did century. Today Kohli will play. India has 139 runs
Enough.
to victory. So they should play.
Don't give me
You'll every time keep some songs. The Garmore Paradesiya, she'll be keeping every day. That's why I hit the remote. Good only.
It's not good.
Why did I do this
It's
video?
not good.
Why did I do this video? I don't have any other place.
From now on, I'll be careful. I'll check his bag every day. What
I hide my bag.
It's done. Something other junk is there. See, all junk only. Only these 2 are good things. This is carrying for boxing people randomly on the road. So sad. People, be careful. If you see him, just run away. A lot of snacks. Grocery store inside.
This needs to be
He
2
eats
things
a
for
lot.
a grocery store. We got 2 things grocery store. Yes.
Every 5 minutes he feels hungry and he's like, I want to eat something. This is actually less. He carries more. Again, 1 more. 2 more chocolates. Lot of things.
That's it.
Enough. You'll feel okay with all this. Your hunger will be quenched.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. I can feel something here. Like
There is something. You will feel. My
water,
wallet.
new purse, super.
This is my father's
purse.
old wallet because I don't have that much age to have a new that super wallet. So this is
Let me show you.
Hey.
Showed my things. You showed my things. I'll show you
This-
things.
super old wallet. Everything is stored inside. I just have some 60-70 rupees inside that. Better than 30 rupees.
It looks like it's from the 90s. Horrible.
These are some coins. I have 120
Cash.
rupees also.
Not cash coins.
Yeah, 20 rupees is here.
From where you flicked
I
all
have
this?
better than her. She has only 30 rupees. I have some 170 rupees.
You flicked it from somewhere, I guess.
Click it. Click.
Okay, so that's all. This 19th century covers we got. Lots of.
If you scold me too much, no, I'll do this.
So this zip looks something is there. Yeah, medicines. Why?
You don't know what is a tablet?
Crocin.
Yeah, whenever I travel out with this girl, I'll get headache and Pravachan. So I better wear this tablet which I get free of Pravachan. I don't keep cotton because cotton every time gets lost. In my bag, I keep tablets. Every time when she gives a long Pravachan, I'll put this tablet and sleep for some time. All Pravachan will vanish from my mind. The most needed thing in a boy bag. Because the girl's Pravachan. Girl gives the most thing called Pravachan. I already showed a trailer video. If you want a real video, just get us to 1K.
Too much. This is totally
This
false.
is the syrup.
Don't take any suggestions.
But I
of
don't
this.
have any I don't have water to carry to just swallow it. I eat this. I drink the syrup, which also makes it low. Approach and gayab. Carry on.
That's it. I guess we're done with the bag.
No.
A lot of things in boys' bag too. Lot of steam cars. There's nothing.
Oh, there's nothing here. Wait.
So we are done.
Just check this. Just check here. One thing is missing. Okay. No need.
Something
Why
funny.
invented. She does this
Wow.
all. She only throws all of these.
Sneakers cut into pieces.
She only just she's a foodie, no, or eats all the chocolates and throws everything in my bag. Makes my bag dirty.
No, I have my own bag. Why will I throw in your bag? So possessive. Okay, so all these junk is from his bag except these two. And a little bit of snacks. I don't find anything necessary. This is not. I
This
don't
is the
give any
most
prevention.
necessary. I don't want any gloves, snacks, and all. This is if I have this, I can go anywhere.
Don't take any of his suggestions. Okay then, we are done with it.
If you don't take any my necessary, don't take any tablet, no.
And don't hide remotes.
When
It's
you
not-
go outside with your sister and she gives you a provision, when you come home, बेहोश हो जाओगे तुम. Oh, that much pravachan sister.
Now why
gives.
are you giving a pravachan to
If you
them?
want a pravachan movie of your sister, please like the pravachan video and this too.
Okay, he's done with his pravachan. He only gave a pravachan. He calls me pravachan.
Because just little bit you'll be like, if you
Okay.
start with it, be like.
So guys, hope you like the video. Let's end it better. Let's end it. So
that
if
is
you
it.
like the video,
Don't forget to
like
share
and subscribe to our channel, Ishan Prahalad.